guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I won't just talk put for the issue where they grant about Queen Osawe Nihagzo Wegi. Now I want to talk to. I want to talk to her. Now I want to talk to. I don't want to talk to another person, you know. You know, I'm that kind of person. When I see issue, I know how the issue they go, you know. Then people go they gang together till they fight person. Me, I know they like her. I know say that thing. Not be if I want call, can't talk truth. I also told the truth come on for them. Even the person when I support, if he still get where he's still wrong, I go still tell and say you wrong for here. Let's go there. Rita Yemie Dayline, she they do life. Did you know what they are trying to do? They want push Osawe Niazo Wegi. They want to push her enter inside house. They want to sweep her under the carpet. And they don't go fit. You know, say this life, when people don't mess up finish, they find blames. And now they mess up by themselves. They find blames. They find who they go put the blame for yet. Now me they control this my Facebook. Even if I one person they look me, now two people they look me. Now me they control. Anything that comes out in this social media that affects me, I am the one that creates this app on my name, my real name. Do you understand? I'm the one that creates this app. Whatever I do on this my app, if I drive rough, if I do anything, if I abuse a place which I don't suppose to abuse, a place which I don't suppose to poke nose on, when I start doing it, when problem comes, I carry the problem on myself alone. If I like, let me have people that is calling in. Let me have people that is commenting. It's not their problem. It's my problem because why? A lot of people see my face. If I should misbehave, people see my face. You know? Why I'm saying this, whenever you hold anything up that you control, you show your face. Everybody is seeing you. Anything that happened there, it concerns you. It not concern commenter. It not concern follower. It not concern anybody when they follow you. Like there is some pastors. Some pastors sometimes now, people go they fight some pastors sometimes. You know? Who they fight pastor, now they know. Nobody who they support pastor, they fight. Or who they support that person, they fight pastor. No, when time comes, say they reach court of law. Now the pastor with the person when they fight pastor, now two of them, now he get that case, now they go enter the court of law. That is how it goes. Like this issue of grant, you people, you just want to sweep Osawe Niazo Wege. You guys, you want to sweep her under the carpet, and you guys, you cannot do it. Not on this social media. We all see what happened on this social media. We were not blind. When that woman you guys call Oryomba, when he was on this social media, a lot of people came out and tell this woman, lady, stop. What you are doing is not good. Where you are going too far. You are going too far. What she was doing then, she went too far. I personally come out. A lot of people come out. A lot of old live video presenters, they come out as well. They try to stop her. Do you know what she said? Then when we want to stop her, she said that if we sleep, that he give us 3 days, that if we sleep, we will not wake up. everybody, that thing, when he talk that thing, now be the mark when I put for the word when he talk that time. He say, if we sleep, we not go wake up. But the people will be say, he saw that time, I don't want to mention their name, okay. Because this matter, when we they tell Torah, we know say where she they go, if she land for there, she no go like her. We know. I personally know. I see that woman for many times for dream. I see where she go land herself. Even he said that they beat her today. I no pity for her. Yeah, she don't, no pity. If they like, anyhow, they ain't swing for her. He ain't swing na hotel Dory. He ain't swing na anywhere from Benin, any village that she come from, anywhere she want to go and stay. That is not my business. But he's an Ogyoba of Edo State. Anywhere that he reach in Edo State, he's an Ogyoba. Why do you people, why are you guys, what you know, why are you guys throwing it away? That is tradition. You cannot take tradition off tradition. That is it. You cannot take tradition off tradition. The tradition is there. Ogyoba is an Ogyoba. Now Ogyoba na she be. All this live video presenter like Rita Iyore was not doing live video. When that Ogyoba came on this social media, start throwing her mouth in a place where she don't supposed to go. She didn't do it to only Edo. Let me just say Benin. When we say Edo, Edo is all of us. But if you want just to talk and say, many people will cut us, okay, which part you they talk? When you talk of Ishan, you know that you are talking of Ishan. When you talk of Ora, we know that you are talking of Ora. Okay. She didn't do it to Benin people alone. She was throwing her mouth out of that Benin kingdom. She can't throw her mouth, they go another kingdom in that Edo State. Sometimes she tried to bring Ishan on it. She tried to brainwash some Ishan people to be coming to be insulting Ishan. The same way she did to Benin, that's the same way she do to Ishan. Only why her own, when he reaches Ishan's side, nobody answer her because we can't see and say, Omo na Muriano is a curse. He only right. I dey see her. I dey always dey see her. He don't curse Orianusi or Lele. I dey always dey talk her. If he like, make it from today go shut reach tomorrow. He Orianusi or Lele. Enaka mugbe Orianusi or Iyore before you go do more egbe. What is she saying? What Rita is saying? Rita, you were watching that woman then. You were on that fake account watching people, everybody. You watch everybody. Even me that is talking, you watch me. You watch everybody before you enter live video presenter. Okay, if you are her lover then, Rita Iyore, if you are that woman lover then, that Ogyoba, you are her lover because you were committed then. Nobody know your fake account because you were not you were not a live video presenter. You were on that fake account. You comment. Maybe it's your real account or your fake account. But in this app, you there inside this app, you comment on people video. Everybody that is just coming to show her face on live video that want to be a live video presenter, you guys, you once comment on our video then with the old live video presenter. You can do anything you want to do, but the truth have to be told. Rita, if you are trying to be supporting that Ogyoba, which you know everything then, that what this Ogyoba was doing was not good in the eyes of the gods or in the eyes of we, the human being. Why did you tell her then, my sister, where you are going now is not good. Please stop. Good evening, my people. You are welcome, love. You could have called. A lot of people call. We say message. I say message. Even a Dedena witch say message. A lot of people say message. Even Mary Edos say message. A lot of people do video against when this woman was crossing her boundary. Or what did she do? she said that she come out on live video that it give us 3 days that we are not going to wake up. I look and feel it say, you are too small. Me o digi no gbeni. If I want to hit your head for ground, you too small. If I dey fight you, the May, my men when they with me, they go they join me, they beat you. The women when they go they join me, they beat you. Then now, Rita, if you are supporting this woman, I didn't tell you not to support her. But in your mind, you know that what she do, she didn't do it well. A lot of things that she was saying. Even Naija Wash then. Naija Wash was her best friend. Before Iyore tornado, it separates her with Naija Wash. Yes, everybody see it. Why defending her? You cannot defend the gods. You cannot defend it. Okay, let's say, for example, when they send message to her that she abused the place that she don't supposed to abuse, they send a message to her that it should come and answer the message. What did she say? She said that they should write it in letter and send it to her. That is what she said. Because then she said that she think that she's on top of the world. But she never know that Facebook is something that when we enter Facebook that time, Facebook never grow rich like this. If people they misbehave sometimes, how come they look there? Facebook, this app never grow rich like that. We are just few people. Then they tell her, everybody tell her, oh, send message for her, send message for her. A lot of people tell her. So people telling all of it to say, he all member, no tell her, say, go and answer. A lot of people use it to do video, say, ya answer or tornado. Go there, go and answer your call. But she was thinking that she's a queen of Edo State. She was thinking that she's on top of the world. She never knew that. Now camera, now they deceive her. Did you see this camera? This camera that I face now, it can deceive you. If you want to molest yourself, on this camera, you can do it. It can go viral. Why I'm saying this, Rita, you know everything about this woman. You are not a JJC. You not be JJC. Anything this woman do in Edo Sabbath space today, or inside Edo, na intruder, na she be. She's a spy. Intruder. Go and ask. She's an intruder to Edo. She's an intruder to Edo State. Anywhere Orient Banifio where you will tell do is a cause. When I'm a bogbe, I'm a picture no real ladia. This is what she did when she come before. She want to stay on top of the king and the queen. He won't stay on top of their head. He want to useless their name and he want to cause them. He want to bring them to the mode. Somebody that cried. They always use Mama Susie they cry. That Mama Susie separate her and her sister. It's not Mama Susie that separates you and your sister. Because did you see if somebody do bad for community, the bad way he can't do, say they will tell us, say, may he come out for the community first. Later they go come topple for the matter. If papa and the mama, they go find where carry and go put for there first. Until the day the kingdom go topple for the matter, they will go bring her come. Your father must to go hide you from somewhere. Egbeno where can I hide you? Say, let's take her out or him. Make you take and go another place. I don't know why Rita, why are you fighting for her? She's an intruder. Yeah, she's an intruder. She's not one of us. Let's be truth. Like I cannot eat there. I'm a traditional woman. No. Where that woman dey, so if she pull her for food, I prefer to follow a mad woman chop than to follow a woman Do you guys know what you are saying? Well, so not like you want me a boy be. Or so not like that be man. God forbid. An outcast. Did you know what is an outcast? Did you know? Why you people, why you deceiving yourself? Why did you tell her the truth? And she already know the truth. She know her faith. But these people that are just trying to just put smile into her. You guys, you cannot make Ogyo Battle get happy. You not see monkey face? Monkey face is not where we are. Monkey face is can imagine. Monkey face is now Ogyo Battle. Monkey face facing your way. Now monkey face with Igbo people now. Even the Igbo people, they insult monkey face, say, you are an Ogyoba of a dose, you be Alu, you be Osu. Now Igbo people, they call monkey face can reach today. They tell monkey face, if you like, shout. Your Edo people reject you. They swear for you, you be Osu. Now Osu, now Igbo people wear monkey face, they insult. Now Osu, now that they call monkey face, Osu. And you also, you be Osu. Not come they interrupt on issue that come from Benin. Can't you hide your face? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? What's your problem? What's your problem? You people should live. Okay, do you know what they are? Do you know why I put Osaweni Ansewege? Do you know why I put her picture here? I put her picture here to defend her. Yes, I will speak for her. If now want me red, it go red. And if it's also no when also wege, if he still fuck up, I'll still tell us also when also wege, you will fuck up. Good evening, my love. How not day? Now, people they tell say the time when Orionpa Nore Paris, Elenoya aware, why Iyore not tell her make it stop? Did you know a lot of people that said to this woman, stop? She didn't stop. Because why? What's the name of those clothes? Those clothes when what's the name of this? Zingiri, your zingiri skirts. Or if you're playing zingiri, your name, or tota, she was thinking that she's on top of the world. Illiteracy is a disease. If you be illiterate, try any country where you there, go and acquire a bit of little education. When you are doing something, you will know when to stop. And you will know when to proceed. Do you understand? Why you guys? Why, Rita? Why you? No, Rita. This one, I'm not going to say you they fuck up. Rita, do you know what I will call you here? An hypocrite. We are not quarreling. I don't want to quarrel with anybody because of that Ogyoba. No, Ogyoba cannot bring problem between me and you. But I'm not telling you this moment that you are hypocrite of the highest number. 9 Rita B. Rita, no. What's that? If you like me, give you 100,000. If you like me, give you 200,000. In your mind, you know that that woman, she's an Ogyoba of Edo State. I don't know what ni renai. I don't know what it do to everybody. In the trauma they go give vision at that time. We just ignore her. We not talk to her. The last time she see the fool herself for there. There is one blogger that blocked her. Even Benin people when they comment for there say she be Ogyoba. She's not from Ishan. She cannot be Ishan. Even Benin people they say you not be Ishan. You cannot be Ishan. You be Ogyoba. When you are Ogyoba with those states. When you are Ogyoba with Benin. You are Ogyoba with Esan. You are Ogyoba with Sako. Anywhere you wish. To be honest, you should hide her face. She's sick. She's sick for crying out loud. She already know her fate. She's dying in silence. We see it. We know they see. Why will they pretend? If you guys want to help her, you can look for other way out there to help her. That they return her back. Let her go and do it. Don't come in on Facebook. They use that they rob everybody. So they are saying, Queen, why are you fighting her? Queen, why are you doing this? Queen, why are you doing that? You guys forget that you fight Queen last year. I'll be last 2 years. Is it not last 2 years? I'll be last year. I don't know. You guys, you fight Queen as well. You guys fight Queen. When you guys was fighting Queen, a lady came out and said that Queen rented a house from her. Queen is not paying. They were bullying Queen there. I put a comment there. I said, you people should call police for Queen. I dropped that comment. I know why I dropped that comment. Since she don't want to pay the house rent, you people should call police. If she don't want to move out of the apartment, you people should call police. Yes, to see the truth, we are in Europe. We don't need to be coming on social media to be shouting, lying, saying something that doesn't exist in Europe country. That is law. When you rent a house out, good evening, my person, how you doing? When you rent a house to someone, that person don't want to pay house rent. If you draw that person, you don't want to pay, all you will do, you call police. When they were sagging this woman years back, I dropped a comment there. I said, make una call police for Queen. I put it there. They didn't know why I said that. I said, you people should call police for Queen. This is Europe. When something is going wrong in Europe, all you have to do, you call police. Yes, now police they settle issue, not on social media. I don't believe on social media issue. I was there when they were doing that saga, when they saga this woman. Then the woman, she come out to retaliate. Okay, who they 12 for? You know her now. I don't want to mention her name. You know her. She live. That one went there. Orion France, you know. Now, when we were born, illiterate is not good. To become a disease illiterate is not good. To become do you know that there is some people, if they do the do, when you know they hear it is say na no pass, it no good. Not be saying now you no pass. Now because of the illiterate, this research one when you get for inside, now make you know they listen. That is why you don't listen. You feel that you know it all. You don't know anything. The live when they you don't ever drink see live. The people when you they drink see. Today you say you drink see Jesus Christ. You drink see this one. You drink see that one. You are just lying. You are just a lying bitch. Over with water. Look at the other time you came. Look at the other time you came. That is where I most get angry of her. She don't hide her face. Man, go and hide your face. Go and hide your face. She's so hypocrite. I don't even know. I don't know the word I will use for her. She will come and Queen, how you made the bone. You know the bone. You don't bone finish. Queen, you still enter monopause. You know the enter monopause. When my like monopause? Because fit are the deceiver now. When my like monopause? Oh man, get a break, man. Go and take some pill. Now eat. Something's wrong with your brain. You de colo. We can see it all over you. Play. Did you know where you feel it bad? They all left you. Where you remain? The people, do you know what? Crowd. Be very careful of crowd. Crowd can destroy you. Crowd can repair you. Crowd can make you rich. 3 things that crowd is going to do for you. Crowd, it can make you rich. The same time, it can destroy you. Crowd is not good. That we call it dust. That is crowd. We call it dust. You go make brrr before you know everybody don't walk out. Come on, you don't go sit there again. That is it. Just look occasion. Keep 50 cow for occasion. If you read that day, 90 the 50 cow, you go even then look for where they for cook the food. You don't go see it. Crowd come to move you. You were moved by crowd because why? You be illiterate. You never see crowd before. Who don't see crowd before? You don't get anything to do with crowd. Who don't see crowd before? If you have seen where crowd there before, you don't experience crowd before. When you see one, you will know how to behave. You're not going to misbehave. Did you know why some people they are saying that she was not on Facebook before? When she started this thing, when we attack her, that is when she ran out of Facebook. She went to YouTube. She started doing it and over and over and over and over and over. Then, it is sometimes some people will say, this woman, She spent day break. She will start from 8 o'clock in the evening and close 4 in the morning. People was with her. I don't watch her because she know the talk. The time when they Facebook, yes. I personal attack her, said, what you are doing is not good. If you want to run your video and leave Egwai. Leave any Egwai that is in Edo State. It's not your business. You can never be there. You are not a child of a king. You can never be child of a king. You can never. You can never. You just want to be there. That is, I don't know. The literacy is not good though. It's not good. Make person not go school at all. If you not go school, it's not good. It's going to, they affect some people. They don't know when to stop. They don't know the effect of what they are doing. How this thing go take, if they put them for the place where they not go know. When people was there, happy her, doing everything, she didn't know that a day like this will come. Everybody just looking, everybody they look you. She didn't know that a day like this will come. Beware of crowd. Beware of crowd. You know they see if musician come, people they die for inside this thing where musician dey. If musicians set stage, people they buy, people they die, people they suffocate, then they rush people. That is crowd. Welcome, my personal person. Then she started doing it. She thought that this thing is going to. This is what she was doing. It was not your occupation. Or my occupation, no say it, this is you just waka, carry phone, enter Facebook. It was not your occupation. You don't even know how to read, and you don't even know how to pray. Nothing. She was just doing blah blah blah, and the people will be say their memory. They don't lost their memory. They enter now. Most of them don't get their sanity back. Now they left. Then she left YouTube. Everybody, they are calling her. You don't stay on YouTube again. We need your number. There is one woman that shout out that she's calling her. All her number that she have, all of them is not working again. Then she did one video. Then she put her number there. They are not coming back to you. They just want to disgrace you because you don't already be disgraced to Edo State. They just want to be disgrace you one by one. You think that those people, they are coming back? You think they are coming back? No one is coming back. No one is coming back. Did you know a lot of people, they just call you for the pity they have for you when they are done calling you? All they will do, they will put water for man. You don't know? They turn back. They greet Ogyoba. Anybody when they exercise, then they turn back. Now back and back. Now they take the talk. You know they face them. Then they sneak. They go give them this thing. I hear people say the day when they go catch you. What are you doing? Why are you not the true queen? Now Queen send a message. Queen send a message. Queen not send a message when she was preaching nonsense and nyama things for there. Did Queen send her? Queen is her follower. Good evening, my personal person. Queen is her follower. When Queen said, no, this is not good. Because I went for. No, everybody no go get sense finish. You get where you go to do something, eh? If you never get sense reach there, you go to fool yourself inside. When you don't get sense, 3 or 2 people talk to you. You don't realize, say, oh, what I'm doing is not fair. Then you have to quit. Quit. Okay, what's your mama now? Okay, you people, you are not saying that Queen was there when she was doing it. What's a mama Queen? She was the one that they were saying. Did Queen sit with her to run live video where they insult audio and don't say it? No, Queen never sit with her. She was sitting with the Igbo man. Yeah, she was sitting with the Igbo man. Then what are you guys? Why are you guys saying that? Hey, Queen, whatever. Hey, Queen, what's a woman? No, that is out of points. Yes, like me now. I figure the Zuzu now. When problem go come, Then my commenters now, people gonna say, "Oh, now not there when they comment." Did you know who is commenting? Did you know who is commenting? Did you see them? Now my face, now that they see. Let her hide her face. She's an intruder now. When we talk, she don't need to talk. If they talk, people just they watch you. It's like it's like you are crazy. Why can't you just take a break? Just look for somewhere to go and clear your sanity. Just go clear what they worries you. This life, man. If you say now you know pass, other people they will no pass you. People when they say that you know this is the end of their life. Mama, good evening. How you doing? This is the end of their life. Anybody from those states that is trying to support you, anybody that is trying to support you, let's call a spade a spade. Why we be? I am not an hypocrite person. I can never be hypocrite. When it's good, I will let you know that this is good. When it's bad, I will tell you that this is fucking bad. This is fucking bad. Are you serious? Why are you pushing the blame on Queen? Did Queen set that live video for her? No, Queen was not there. Queen was not there. Queen now this thing Queen still there support. When he want open Facebook, he tell Queen say he want to insult everybody. He want to insult all the whole kingdom where there those states. Una feel say na only Bini kingdom now this woman is Fupegia. Do you think so? There is no kingdom in Edo State. No Orioba no respect ni no France ni no Lao. In no day. In no day. If let me tell you, everybody don't know one. We don't know one. If he say she reach Ishan, I see her say, he there for Ishan community. People dead there. Our current photo take say that woman is an enemy of Bini Kingdom. An enemy of Bini Kingdom is an enemy in any kingdom in Edo State. Una don't know. Don't let a deceiver. Good evening. That is your business. Now you talking like that. Let me remove your fucking this thing. Okay, then why is she shouting? Why is she shouting? What's your nuwana? Okay. Why are you deceiving yourself? Why are you being stupid? Why are you being naive? Why but make you want to nanya? People can't swear for me. You want to make the king follow them, go swear for me. King go follow them. No, king send message. He send message. Yes, me I go say no black jewel when me and wow test and God forbid. I reject that. Oh yo, wait be after ne. They don't. Why she? Okay, you now say nobody cause her. Why she not they go there though? I think she they go Nigeria. Why she not they go Benin? She they go Nigeria. Why did you people leave this woman in pain for so many years? And today she still feel the pain. Or man not telata or a woman like. Why can't you guys, if you have any way to help her out, I think you people you love her so much, you kiss her so much, guys, you people should look for a way to help her out. She's suffering. She's an abandoned product. She's suffering. Yes, she's dying in silence. You don't look. Now, fit and actually they cover her face. I know her pain. I know waiting she dey feel. Did you know what you are saying? That commenter. When in Ophelia. don't they use the mouth, they tell people, say, see where for come. And people don't already know, say, day. Why is she still using her mouth to say, see where for the come, see where for the come? People don't say nowhere for the come. She they remind Unana say, she be one of Una. Because Una don't say, she not be one of Una again. She they remind you people. Una, why read they remind you no. You guys, you don't read her mind, you don't read her body language, you don't feel her pain. When you look deep into that woman's eye, she's suffering for a big pain in her. You guys, you cannot do it. You cannot do this just to talk. You talk, this is what I thought finish going. Now, if you like 5 people like Rita, now let them support her. The pain still remain there. Rita can just say her oh and come out. Now because Rita with this queen they quarrel, and I make Rita they talk, wait till she they talk for her live video. Yes. Yes. Una, why not they like this? Women people, you are freeborn. She's not a freeborn anymore. Yes, you guys, you are freeborn. You are freeborn. One no time I wear no enter. The person go even tell you say, I better not they reach our street again. Only street oh, no be binio. Only street. If I see you for my street again, how you go do? You tell them say God punish you. Now you get this street. You say me I don't enter this street. Okay, I don't enter this street. No, they fight. Fight go bust. Don't just say no enter my street again. Why you guys? Why you people? Why are you like this? She's suffering. That woman, she's suffering for crying out loud. For God's sake, she they die in silence. She they cry. She cry. She they cry. Okay, well, I love her so much. Why she know? Why she know? I love her so much. The way she did now, the way they look at her, she just like abandoned person. You know? Hello, how you did, Joy? No, me, as you see me so, when I talk sometimes, people will say that this woman, you are this, you are Ash, we don't know who you are, we don't know where you are going, we don't know where you are coming from. No, I'm not like you people. I don't love anybody the way you guys love. I had a time saying, now this one I love pass, I throw away that one, I love this one, I throw away. No. What I give to B, I give to A. What I give to A, I give to B. That is how I do my own. I don't be hypocrite. It's not my business, and I don't take nonsense. When it's not clear, it's not clear. Yeah? Then you people, now they tell say, Queen, you did that time. Now, Queen, they own video for her. Queen, now you follower. Queen, now you follower. Queen, now you follower. She was a follower. A lot of people was a follower. Even the people that is coming out now, saying that you don't do this here again. Are they not her follower? Yeah, they follow her. And okay, since all this while now, she's fighting. She's fighting. This one will tell her she go fight. This one will tell her she go fight. They go call her Ogyopa. She's fighting. And that is what she is. Why is she fighting about it? Why is she fighting? I wish. I will not even bring my face. I'll just do my own. She's supposed to ignore the community. It's supposed to live there. Those people you think that they talk to you, they are hypocrites on the highest order. Like they be. To be honest, let's call the spade a spade. Anybody when they support you, everybody when they support you, maybe now wait till you they give them. Now I made that they support you these small coins. When you they give them, I make that they support you. That they talk today, you'll be like say, now they want to clear the facts. You cannot clear the facts. You people should leave Queen. Queen not send a message. Queen not send her anywhere. And do you know why I opened this video? Now they are saying that Queen not be Bini. Queen na Bini. Queen na Bini. Yes. There, Urobo not coffee for ye. Urobo not coffee for ye. Okay, what of Una sister when be Bini? When he could Fiupe gyote dohia. Urobo mama soni. E foreigner mama soni. Eke queen ansedonya ole doya gbera. Ori eva ege hia. Iye nya yeti like do ama wegenya no le doya gbera. Okay, now that one, I want to the saga queen and robo. We don't know queen as robo. I don't know queen as robo. I ever hear robo for queen mouth. Now Bini and English now queen they speak. If not that one queen and robo, of you obo. When no be a do, what's your when I'm you can? When no be a do, but so when I'm you can bello better jobeki. Obieho, he must away. Akmeka go obieho, who were no your motor, ari suwe fua. Are you kidding? You should tell that woman fucking truth. Let her go lost. Man, woman go lost. Madam, go lost. Go and lost. Go lost. Yes, I tell you the truth. I don't hate you. I don't have anything to do with you. The truth of it. You already say, obie. Look at you. Well, I cannot more join you. Bombo toje. Is it not you people musicians that sing that music? I cannot more join you. Bombo toje. Now, the useless citizen, they tell strangers say, now here, now they put the juju. Now here, wait till now they find. Now here, therefore they enter. Those are the bad one when they inside. And now you be intruder to Edo State. Look at what she said. I think I come across one video when one blogger caught. They say she come for Ere Kai. She not be Bini. She come for Ere Kai. She not be Bini. She come for Ere Kai. Did you see how sound illiterate when this woman be? She didn't go to school at all. I mean, secondary school. I mean, primary school. We finish primary school to 6. After 6, some people they finish junior secondary school, which is JSS1, JSS2, JSS3. That is junior secondary school. She didn't even attend junior secondary school. There is some people they stop at junior secondary school. They have it here. She said that she's come from Ewe High. You come from Ewe High or be what? Which language? Which language? How did she call? Is it Ewe High or be Ewe High? I don't. I'm forgotten. You know. You now say. Oh. Now construct. You can't just construct your word because you are not relevant again. Without they construct your word is a pity. Let people really give you that pity you need. Look for somehow to go and do anything they pull on you. You find how you will go to do it. She's just living in pain, year to year, day to day, month to month, weeks by weeks, living in pain for how many years? Now they have left you. They never leave you now. They never leave you. These people, they will clap. You don't know the time when you will remove your clothes. They will clap. You will remove your bra. They'll clap. You'll remove your trouser. They'll clap. You'll remove your pants. You go come naked. You go street yourself naked by yourself. I say, Queenie, not be Bini. We won't be Bini. Where till you can't be now? You can't be all your bar of Edo State. Can't you get it? Did you lost your memory? I think you have to go and reset your brain. Where can you go hospital? Where can you enter machine? Where tumor they inside your brain? Where they make you reason where? You talk to irrelevant people. Now irrelevant people, now they listen to you. Normal people no go take your bullshit. You talk bullshit. Look at you. They all left you. As I leave you now, this is now that time when the Enyana Mwebo Bwegeni, you never feel it. You never think that a day like this will come. You never knew that you will be in this place by yourself. A journey that you set for yourself and people clap for you. You begin the journey. At the end of the tunnel, they left you. They left you. They say when you finish the tunnel, you see the light. But when your own tunnel finish, now darkness, now you see. But they don't tell you truth. You talk out of, you don't get wisdom. You know, oh my God. Say that, it not be Bini, I not be Bini, I not be Bini. You don't read map. Where she map? A village you ever done a map. There is no village in Edo State where not the inside Edo State map. There is one village, close to our village. If you see that village, only 4 houses, 9 day. 4 houses, 9 day. I said the time when show me like day power. Show me like put road pass. I tell my bro, say bro. So as little as that village is, you dey inside map. Small village. Small village. The small he went there, he can't get all those stone. Now stone. One small village like that. You are saying that you are not be Bini. You are not a Bini again. You are a cursed woman. You not be Bini. Even that away Haeni. You not be away Hae again. Why did you go away Hae? You have been going to Nigeria for so many years also. Man, I don't know. But try go away Hae. You just to go to visit away Hae. They never stop you. Where you visit away Hae. You go there. Why are you saying it with your mouth? I am from away Hae. I am not Bini. Me Bini. No. Why are you paying? Why does your pain is so fucking high? Why did you reduce it by yourself? Take it down low. Not they too busy again. What is that? I wear your way at Tatamas of your humble big querelu. Oh, I will walk on 4 months. Your way I have better all the job before I don't feel like the food. Away, away. Do you think we are saying now? Where here? A king, I think you will get is it a John way or not king or John way or a John for a way high. Did you know that a John in a way high know that you'll be Ogyoba? Did you know? Did you know you'll be Ogyoba? Where in your Ogyoba, right? No one kaya jobo you right back. You don't know. Don't let people deceive you. I am telling you the facts. If you like the verse, I know they say, look my face. I don't say you anything. And the fact I they tell you. Those people when they like to put smile on you, they are putting pain you. But me that is telling you, I'm going to release that pain for you. And they will like be pain releaser. When you have pain, I'll release them for you. That's the way that they up you. They'll up you finish, drop you for their commands. But person will tell you facts. Now you go even make you day. You go toss sense into your brain so that you go see your pain go see reduce. Not that those way that they happy finish. You yourself go land for where you did. Or person where they follow person quarter and I be person friend. Also if you like, wait till you do so you know good. Then you will know how to compose your system, compose your brain. Don't come the rant on social media. Your face is everywhere. What? Your face is everywhere before your face is not everywhere. Why are you sick in your brain? What you don't, your brain don't paralyze. Why? Oh my God. This woman, she's so devastated. You know, hide your face. Hide your face. If you want to say anything, more you are binary, more you are having a lot of injury in your heart. Is you bleed. Your heart bleed. I know. Say, do you know what you are? They don't know what you are facing. They don't know what they face. Go see you Murphy. Go and see you Murphy. Even Igbo people, they saga you Murphy now. They'll say, I better go see that. Igbo people, they call you Murphy now. Ogyoba. Ogyoba, they ask what is Ogyoba. Ogyoba is an Osu. Enemy of the kingdom. Enemy. Then they call this out because they say na queen. Now queen send you. Queen they waka they go that queen meet you. As I open this thing, now somebody way you love to follow me now. You go follow me. If I call the Zuzu, you dead there, the Zuzu, hey, mama continue, because that's how they do. They get out fun. Then I Zuzu for ne Esiarire. and they find who want help me say by my for me. Now me go say by myself. Why don't they tell you true? What's this? What? Fact na fact. Let's say it. All those one when they tell say, I'll ban no sweat for you. Yeah, mama will do. They all see it. Before you go know now, the people that post it, before you go know now, I will do video say, yeah, mama with me here, yeah, not read this year, be na ya mo boy. I say I am my boy, who say ye ragbon. No be so I talk. You know, I already now. Ebona mugboria ikwakwo isi no ribo or a winner. I can't say here, boy. There was a return the cost before the people when they sweat for you, before they go they buy one by one. You know go complete again. You know go complete again. That does you see if they come mention queen now, you can't feel say by your side all is where. Queen is a freeborn in Edo State. Queen not be intruder. Queen are freeborn. Queen can do anything she want to do on social media. We see they watch her. We see they follow her. We see they watch her. We see they follow her. Queen are freeborn. You are not a freeborn anymore. When Queen talk, you shut up. If Queen are gone, kokunu beba. Even if Queen just see corner do nyaga nyaga, you see tell Queen say, wait till you do so. Stop it. At this moment, when Queen talk, you shut up. Shut up. Don't talk again. Nah, Queen can't get me. Queen can't you wear me. Queen can't you wear me. Queen can't you wear me. Oh, I don't care what me later. Who want to harm you? Who want to shoot you? We want to say I want to shoot you. You want to buy you. Queen, not let me say for you. Queen, you go my said no. Queen, you go my said no. Queen, if I go this year, I'll say for you. I said, what is this? This is fucked up. You they swear for. I'm a mwebok bay or mwebok boria. Go to anywhere now. If you go copy now for Edo State, in any part in any city in Edo State, any part in Edo State, where you be in Gomamiva, whether they go answer you, I will not ban no. You be in Goma try. Nobody is going to answer you. No juju won't go answer you. Once they carry, Baba Ogion Bano, nobody. You have to look for a way. You know where market berry. You didn't come from it. You don't have where you don't come from any village. You're not coming from somewhere. You don't get roots. Where roots? Where more? You don't get roots. You don't get where they come from. Where more Benobije, where Benevera. Una come Facebook, una go the fool na self. Every aki de gbeva I am you know Jemina. Some people they don't get papa, they don't get mama again. Ya sunu ne ami Benovera, ami Benobije. Iya ladian. Where more? Waiting you use your hand to toss for yourself. You they use and they rob yourself. You think say you they use and they rob Queen. Queen never sent you. Anybody, any live video presenter that will put Queen on that issue, my sister, come out there. If you want Saga Queen on your own. No Saga Queen say you the Saga Queen because of that woman one they call on Okioba. No, it doesn't work that way. If I should have problem with Queen, I will Saga Queen come out for there. If Queen wants Saga me go come out for there. Do it. That is the fact, the truth. Why hiding under Orionba, the Saga Queen? You yourself, you reduce yourself. Or mama mwebogbe. Na onda mama mwebogbe. Ewe ina ya go wahon. You figure you have a brain, say. You think you can use everybody's brain? Well, not be person teacher. Not be teacher teach person. Teach person when you teacher. Not be person teacher. Where you go think say now you get sense pass. I get sense pass. It go land you in a place where it be say if you land for there, you go do ordinary ground. They all left you. The people that was praising you, clapping for you, when you were busy doing this nonsense, they all left you. You did grant now. You just like Usino Defieken. I remember I ate Iyore. You know, that is who you are now. You reduce, you kill yourself by yourself. You reduce yourself like a human being. Like me now, I'm a full-grown human being of my own. When I decided to reduce myself, I have killed my career. Yes, I have killed my career. When people will say, which career you get? Everybody, as far as say, I dey live on this earth. I take breaths every day by day. I get career. Only waka when I dey use my leg waka. Not be me they carry myself they go. That will not be career. I feel it somewhere. Somebody will say, please, can you help me do this? Yeah, I can do it. How much do you want me to pay you? See how much I collect. You don't pay me, but that not be my career I use for there. I don't know. I don't really know. What did she think when she was doing those things that she was doing? She thought that she's going to be on top of what? On top of the hill, on top of the mountain, or on top of, I don't know. She's not regretting, but she cannot turn the time now. And you should look for how she will do it. Let her just look for how she will do it. There is nothing when people say they know they do. Even the dead, even person when die, it gets solution. Even the dead have solution. Look for how you're going to fix it. Then they fix something. There is nothing when person know they feel handle for this life. If you cannot handle it, that means you are 100% moron. You are nobody. You are just talking. Like me now. May God not let me get any problem. I will try my best to help myself out in that problem. You cannot solve your problem by yourself. Trying to solve people's problem. If you cannot solve problem by yourself, there is no way you can solve others' problem. Because the brain, where you want to solve people problem, the brain is with you. Why did you use it on yourself first? First, test yourself first. Also, before you pinch person, you have to pinch yourself so that you will know if it's hot or if it's cool. When it's hot, you know, oh my, it's fucking hot. I'm not going to do it to my next person. But when it's cool, you can do it to somebody. You'll say, oh, it's like, you see now when you kiss somebody now, it's like this. They'll say, oh, no. You see how when you do person like this now, you'll say, what? What are you trying to do? Do you want to hurt me? What's your problem? You want me to spark your face for you? You know? Now so, I let people that deceive you. Live video presenter, they are not on your side. They are just there, getting the style, little style they want to make 2 euro a day, enter house, now be their own. Yes. They don't even make 100 euro a day. They make 2 euro a day. They give you star, 50 star, 20 star, 300 star. 300 star, how much 300 star will give you? Nothing there. They are just using you to get 1 or 2 star, 50 star, to get 50 this thing, 50 cents. You know, that is what they are using you to get over there. Facebook, live video presenter, their support, not before you. Not before you. They just want to show on camera. Who want to speak the truth for you? Now be who can support you. Like I'm saying, I'm still saying it. Look for a way to go and solve your problem. Go and solve your problem. You are shot a lot on this social media. Iya te wagano mabie. Iya we wondo. Iya we ba wehi. Iya we ona. Iya we ona. A lot of things. Okay, those things that you are just using to shout on people's ear. You have not solved one. Inside 5 problems, the problem still remain in you more than how many years? You never feel solve one. Did you live in darkness? Are you know the dream? You know the dream? You know the dream? She got dream. She don't know the meaning of her dream. She go say she dream see Jesus Christ. Why you want to see Jesus Christ? Jesus Christ. You can never see the eyes of Jesus Christ. When you see white for your dream, now temptation. When you see a beautiful place for your dream, na temptation. Yes. It's a temptation. You don't even know your dream. You don't even know how your dream goes. You don't even know how dream work. You are just making noise. God bless you too. My darling. Why they don't want to tell you truth? I can never say I want to carry money, useless you. No. Find problem. So, I don't need problem in that gas of war. Only way ukodo or way we got music when he sing. That make me tell like ukodo musical. Or way I don't forget time. He say the people near si woto agbon gwe ne egwano no hin aboe. You know sir, when you have problem, when the kiss men don't talk. No, they do meeting. If they're not fit, solve the problem, they will carry and go egwai. Now egwai for dear. The wise men still there inside egwai. Now they go come say now so. Now they go take solve the problem. You are just coming out all the time. They preach irrelevant preaching, deceiving yourself. They dress in Jesus Christ, not they dress in Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I don't understand. You see, if you don't see Jesus Christ, you see it and yes again. It and yes again. Everybody is dreaming to see it and yes again because it's a statue. And when you look it and yes again picture now, cover your face like this. You're gonna see it and yes again. It's a statue. Yeah. Now it be such a way that mode when you look at like this, close your eye. Now so it be. Yes. Now so it be. Don't deceive yourself. I can remember years back when we did school. Our school, Mary Day, our school, because the school when I go now, Catholic school, now it be Mary Day. One afternoon like that, I think people called me this years back. Maybe people will be say, that they remember something. They'll say, wow, this woman. See what this woman go remember. So me, I know they forget something. Not just do me something. Even waiting you do me when I did small picking, it's still day. They want to do me something. I quick remember things. Just back when I did school, that is the school when I go now get school, now Catholic school, now the school be. Then we have Mary, when Mary you carry Jesus Christ, you know. Then as you reach school, everybody they talk say, if you look Mary, you look up, you're the see Mary with picking for up. You know, you're the see Mary with picking for up. You see, everybody call them look Ambo. People from outside, they call them look Mary for our school. If you totally reach there, you look Mary, you look up, you will see Mary see picking for up. Because not status, because you don't put your eye. You don't zoom away, you don't put your eye where you can't go another place. This one to go the show. Anything where there your eye now, look at where when you look at, you close your eye. You go the show. You know, say I look my door. I look at where I close my eye. This thing before door become the show. Did you see it? Don't come and preach Iyore for us. Iyore, they have been that place for so many years. For so many years. You bring it. You didn't even know the history. You didn't even know how that something did there. How that something come there. You didn't know. You just bring it on air. You just start to the narrator. Okay. Now so, when you lose something now, when you lose something, when you close eye, this something go show. You will call the child say, you know the dream. Also, I will say you the dream. There is a lot of things that you the dream when you they talk. If you they talk and sometimes I say, wow, this woman, she's in danger. You they danger. They say you they see, they see Jesus Christ. I see this one. I see, you don't see God. You don't see God. They tell you say, now Jesus Christ, now be first. You not see God. Okay, as you see Jesus Christ, tell Jesus Christ, may he go show you God. Just tell Jesus Christ, say, Jesus Christ, I want to see God. Why are you deceiving yourself? Why are you like this now? Why are you crying now? Why are you all over yourself now? Because why? They abandoned you. This is what we call nemesis. Nemesis not caught up with you. Everybody just go now. Now they can't just make for you. There is no helper there. Then they see people when be say, my friend, even 3 people. That means the people when they follow you, they are not women. If something like this happen to another live video presenter for Facebook, or we will send Lele, those 5 women, they will stand. When we must see the root of this thing. We must find how we go to help you. Are you kidding? Who they follow you? And who you they follow? Now that one you go fair ask. Ewo rehan, ewo leluwe, ewo ibolo no se. Oni yorenya, oyo jalu ole okichi bolo. When a bolo no weche. If any live video just say you don't see talk, they are just looking for view. Only what they will do, they will just say, hey, make it not talk around. Hey, no be oba. There, let's see. Now view, now that they use you get, they cannot solve your problem. Look, it's high time. It's high time. You cannot live with this cause forever. That now 2 cause na dey your head. Ekinweka do warianusi, una ve mua dariana. Ana ve mua bariana, ana ve mubue. Kwe ono kana o me bore nyenje o. Me asem yore no janya. So you don't the men yanga when no where. Oh, naive is it? Oh, if person too no. Oh. Yeah, sometimes. So how he told me, if I look that woman sometimes, how he told me. Good evening, my darling. If I look you sometimes, I go feel pity. Or daggy, or that you're a daggy. Or one benami or walo, or that you're a benami or walo. Or na. Is so sorry, but she's an empty vessel. Nothing. Chi, nothing there with her. That is what people don't know about you. Now me they tell you. Now me be almost one official. Now look my eye. I did tell my work, but no think you go get burek. If you are from the sea, I will tell you say now see you be. If you be tree, I'll tell you say you be tree. If you be sand, I'll tell you say you be sand. If you be breeze, if you wear breeze, you wear him. Nothing. Oh yeah, it's also you can't just when it's under alcohol taking a brain. Or I big for me. Do you know what is igbo and alcohol? And the worst part of it, on the you can go igbo. The traditional something. On ya wame. Can you say they drink? On your in a big base. Do you know what is where in Oruhani? Did you know the traditional law no le luhania? Did you know the traditional law no le luhani? Uhai well tedo uhani ayasame ji oloku. If you get to do for house, uhani. Now that uhai now that they do this thing where did they call that this thing that time? That one where they when be like when they use how take do egogo. Now no egogo when now no egogo now be like this. It don't be like kuhan. Be like you know say get mad like this, can't white like this. Egogo when they carry every musician get her. Oh juju people get her. Now that one ayasa meji owa no muna he yoto when you do ogbanji. Now that one I take the pour water for ogbanji. In the oldest days, that too high. Then they use until they take water for Osun, this thing, Amosu, Akido Aniromo. She carry and she come to use until they drink water. Una dey talk say she no see pikin born, she no see pikin born. Only that thing alone. You know wetin that thing? Oh, arerere. That thing, it made me on. That thing, only that thing alone. Na cause. Ukan. Awo mukan. Ukan. Aaron nero won fo. Whether it otegbo. Aaron ukan nero won fo. Akiro nero won otegbo. Not nero otegbo fo. One no khani anyona da sawo aka asai calabash cup I want monu khan job nu direct before you see people when they use that to can take drink direct. You don't even know what is tradition. You abuse where you for come, you can't abuse the tradition. You carry Igbo, you can't abuse Anjona just because say you no go school. Illiteracy no good. Illiteracy is a barrier. It's a barrier to system. When you say illiterate people, people are asking, what is illiterate? Most illiterate people, you don't know when is enough. You don't listen to people. Because when we take class that we they listen to teacher. If you don't listen to teacher, teacher will open the door and send you outside. When you have done making noise, where I see by you don't sit down. That time, your brain, you go reset by yourself. Say, for all your class now, not let me one now, just dey for outside. You go come be like say they cast you out for where people dey. Not be you go come shut up your mouth if you dey inside class. Because she talk, she don't when she's talking, she don't even know what she's saying. She think that she have sense. She think that she talk a lot. She think that she have it all, and she don't get anything. She don't have anything. She poor. She be poor woman. She don't get anything. She shouts. Shouty. Oh, they go now. Why not they say she get money? Person wait. That they give her 50,000, 20,000. Now donating it. She didn't make that money by herself. She don't get any company where they say this company. Now she be CEO of that company. No, she just making noise. She just be a liability moron or warowa. He just day house. Morning till night. She's not busy doing anything. My sister, wake up. Wake up. I'm telling you the facts. Wake up. In the morning now, women, they don't carry their grandchildren go school. Mothers, they don't carry their children go school. Fathers, they don't carry their children go school. What do you do in the society? What do you bring to society? No. So women, if they go school, they carry their children go school. They will say, I'm going to go call Mama dinner. Mama dinner, I dare your damoto. They will say, Mama dinner, just bring the children come. Make I just carry the children quickly go school. Okay, thank you, my darling. Oh, thank you. You don't see to one. You don't say, mothers, they help mother carry children go school. You will say, no, you will say, Mama dinner. We not go come out today. We not go work out today. I get where they go. I want quickly go feed form. Just carry the children down. Make the children come down. Make I just carry her with my go drop for school. If they come back, then I'll come your house. You don't even know. You don't even give things to society. You don't help yourself. I don't even know what you are doing. Well, why don't see rock? In the morning you show up your face. Go. Who they carry pikin go school, go. Who they come back, go come back. Who they go work, go work. Or what? She's a liability moron. Man, get down you, man. Get a fuck. Look for something else to do. Man, no go where go. As for me, you know they exist where. You don't live where. You didn't see what I'm telling you? For age, I go senior you. Yes. I don't fit to say that you senior me. You cannot senior me. I senior you for everything. Then I'm going to talk to you. Your morality is too much. You are so fucking jealous. She too jealousy. That woman, she's jealous. She just want to get everything by herself. She disgrace people in a foolish way. Why am I not? Oh, one has when a no gay wife, mama, don't they? Don't they? When they say a no gay wife, he build house for his mama. He don't they when he don't say when a no gay wife mama they the house where pikin born for her. Look at the video she just did. Why she not show the house is all these days? Now because say she did renovate the house. As she renovate the house finish, now she can't show the house. Is that not be to bring person down be that? She have that fun of bringing people down with in a way when I thought say she good. Now so she said do. Why okay me why? You see my face, The native daughter when you dey visit, carry my face go there. Just take this face, take and go there. The native daughter will say, see this person where you carry come. Okay, now you carry come. Go say, no, don't reach where this woman dey. She go tell you the truth. The native daughter will say, now the truth now they tell you. Yes, go anywhere. If I want to talk to you, I want to pour water for man to talk to you. If you like, come insult me. But the problem when you get, you are so full of yourself and which you are nothing. You reduce people in a style. That one show he has. It don't tell where no gay mama, no gay wife mama day he has when pikin built for her. Not be last year, not be last 2 years. It don't tell when the woman they live for the house. The woman just say, okay, may I show? I think now with one person they do saga like that. I can't say, may I show where my mama they live? Then she show it last year. Then this year now you can't they put, now she did renovate the house. As she did renovate the house, now he make her not show us it's all these days. She don't renovate the house finish where mama they stay. Now she can't show her. Trying to stop say, she dey bring that woman down. That is the way, that is how she behave. She dey reduce person in a way. She feel say now she get brain pass. Before she do it, she not dey think. Because why? She not get sense. She be moron. Awamio a moron. Womo. Je school. Okian jo. Ya we wina. Okian we wina. On do. On do. Bier. Bier. De ba usu wewi. The one where they do, the one where you got to put himself on top of posts when you don't go feel rich. The people that is supporting you, let them speak the truth for you. Yes. The truth has to be told. If if they attack you today, I lovely personal support Osawe Wegi. I have done a video between you and Osawe Niazo Wegi. The other time, you say Osawe Niazo Wegi, you go see enter monopause. Now, I say, what of you? You know they enter monopause. You with Osawe Niazo Wegi, both of you are the same age mate. Osawe Niazo Wegi, you know senior you. Even he say he's strong for face, you know senior you. Omantion where? No la monopause. Why are you so hypocrite? Did you treat yourself first? If you get a dick, that person get a dick. Who a dick in Avia no way? Who your bugger one, who won in one, only I want for me, only ye, or I oh man, I feel fine. I defeat Dico, I defeat the anywhere. Who your barrow and then want a better. That is why she will remain like this. She's an hypocrite. Now, so hypocrite they be. People go they come, they pass on. People go they come, they pass on. If you see they come, bye-bye. That place where who she they tell her bye-bye, she needs to go that place. So she got to pretend say she's well with her. And she's not well with her. Yes, then they see people like that. Then they see. That place when that person where they say, Rere, okay, don't you worry. Okay, bye-bye. And that person will go solve the problem. And the same problem when that person want go solve, the problem they her body. She just they cover up. When I tell this woman, say, may she release her bone, may she open her mouth, may she can't talk her own life. Wait till they chop her. If this woman can't talk her, una will say, all those things they your body. This woman, she's dying in silence. You people should help her before she go die. Before she go die. The other time she said she won't go drink bleach. Before she go die. I don't know what now they look for this woman. That woman, she's just empty. Empty this one no. Antiviral or one no virus. Anti one. Only a virus, eh? It can't affect one. It can never. There is nothing when that woman they do when they affect anybody. Nothing. What will not affect? Nothing. She just being so naive. I don't understand. The people like say this woman, she know. I don't know. I bet you for. Is she crazy? Oh, when they are. No, mama, yahoo. I tell you, so when I get away, I don't want to. Well, you know they marry. You know they marry. Well, want to. Well, want to. I go baro waha. Stay man for us. Oh, if you carry man put for us, they fuck. Every woman on earth, or you go fit carry woman man put for us, they fuck. Umbo pa yo wa, abi okpa ni mo yo wa. Wow, wake up. Whether the only go see they sleep with you now, we don't even know. We don't know. They advise you soon enter monopause. No. What do you want enter? You will come enter menopause. Osawen is the way you go enter monopause. She saw, she go throw away waiting there her body. She go use her. The other day they say, with Asaboro na this. How you with Asaboro to be this? How? Asaboro they find picking. I never come and want to say, since when I say Asaboro for Facebook, Asaboro my wear Igualukuo mo unu wear now uma this month or not that month we more olaja. Yeah? Me my Asaboro my so one day. Say Igualuku no ya IVF. Wa don't donate Asaboro my show. Asaboro my way in own door. Or my own door. My Asaboro moderate Facebook, my Asaboro miokbia. When no one we both muyowa. Igbo mwe yowa me my. Where I tell you now, where Asaboro wa yo iko carry. No let you carry. You with Asaboro no carry. No, they look person say, you see say this person stay. Now the same condition now na get. No. Why? A musician. Or where Kieva, iya lovia yoto amu khru. Or where am I on Jono Uwe? Oh, ye know. Akia lovia nya, where on Jono Uwe? Akieva lovia nya, where Magba Okoto, you know, no man, no woman. Well, that would say as Rita now don't the saga queen now. For your mind say Rita the for 100% Rita the saga. Let us say Rita we quit the quarrel before. They can quarrel. Me with Rita we not quarrel for Facebook. Everybody with the quarrel. Then quarrel where Rita with quit the quarrel. That one they different. I will say you just dey quarrel with people now. We don't say you dey quarrel with people. If you too talk, Ogyoba. Iya yata, where Ogyoba. Okay, Ogyoba.